Okay guys, we're going to have a different little video today. It's going to be a time lapse of me cleaning up an abandoned homeless camp, I guess you could say, in North Texas. I do have to work, obviously, for a living so that I can buy more stuff to do Will It Run videos and things like that. So we're going to do a quick little time lapse of this thing. I did skip across some parts of it. Basically, I'm putting it in two big piles instead of just this big mess that it's at right now, where it's going to be easier to load in a dumpster when it arrives Monday or Tuesday. And I don't know if y'all have ever been around this kind of stuff, but you would not believe the smell from this place. The whole area just reeks of just filth. It's worse than a landfill. And they have been doing number 1 and number 2 in a 5-gallon bucket, and at least they sealed it with saran wrap and duct tape. What I didn't know is it was buried in amongst this stuff, and I pierced the bucket with one of the grapple points, and I could not get out of there fast enough. I ended up holding my breath way longer than I thought was humanly possible, and I just kind of threw it away from where I was working. We'll deal with that when the dumpster gets there. That'll be the first thing I'll have to pick up and throw in the dumpster. But anyways, hope you enjoy the video. It's not much, it's just somebody cleaning up some junk, but it pays the bills, and it's going to let me buy some more things to do more Will It Run videos on. And some more kind of, I don't really want to call them tutorials, but stuff for people to learn how to do on their own with just basic hand tools and very minimal knowledge. So sit back, enjoy the ride, and be thankful you're not having to smell what I'm smelling. Leave a like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't already. This isn't what all my videos are going to be like, obviously, but every now and then I'll throw something different in there. We will see y'all on the next one. Thanks for watching.